in the comments below, go down there right now, and I want to hear what you have to say about this, the Haiden Deegan, Jordan Smith, stupid fight, teammate racing, whatever you want to call it, in Heat 1 from Detroit today. And you gotta say, this is just stupid. On one side, Haiden Deegan has absolutely no reason to let Jordan Smith by. I mean, I wouldn't exactly call Jordan Smith the number one rider on a team. You know, he's been on how many teams now and blown it. And you gotta say, Deegan has showed himself to be a full-on contender this year. Maybe not for the championship, but for podiums, and he's right there, I would say, tied with Jordan Smith for competitiveness, quote unquote. And I mean, I want to hear what your guys' opinions on it. Who was at fault? Do you think it was just a stupid thing that both of them shouldn't have been a part of? Whatever. But starting from here, you have that. Right after the whoops, Deegan goes wide and Jordan Smith's just there. There it is. Jordan Smith, for no reason, cuts over into him. Here, Deegan kind of cuts into Jordan Smith. And you can see this. Smith looks over twice, kind of cuts both lines, goes wide. Deegan kind of gives him a little bump there, fine, whatever. And then coming into this corner, Deegan's definitely ahead. He's half a bike ahead, and Smith just looks like he's going to T-bone him, or sort of T-bone him, kind of, you know, whatever. And you got to say, there's just no reasoning for this. One, either you got to say Deegan is fighting him for no reason. True, probably. But it is for a gate pick. Well, I guess, you know, trying to prove that he's not the rookie that everyone can push around. Two, Jordan Smith, he did pass him at one point, and I don't know why he didn't just look forward, twist the throttle, and go. You know, get out of this whole situation and be done with it. And you just got to say, like, there's just no reasoning behind it. Why, at some point, after the first contact, okay, you have Smith right in front of the mechanics, cut across the track, kind of put a little pressure on Deegan. Like, there's no contact there, but that's fine, whatever. Again, Deegan, you know, goes inside to the corner, looks up at Smith, and then just kind of cuts the line off, but, you know, gives him plenty of room to go around, fine. And at that point, Smith is ahead. He looks over once, he, you know, fully sees Deegan there, looks over again. On the inside line is just like, looks like he's trying to brake check him, trying to just slow him up, and which makes absolutely no sense. Like, whatever, go. Again, so Deegan cuts him under, rides him a little high, and gives Smith a nice bump. Let's be honest about it. Gives him a nice little bump in the corner. Nothing stupid, like too bad, whatever. Rubbins and racing, you know. And then coming down that straight again, and Smith obviously didn't get the full acceleration that Deegan did, and doesn't have the line, doesn't have possession of the corner, whatever you want to call it. And then you have, he just, you know, runs in the side of Deegan and then falls over, ruins his whole night. After that, he fell twice more and then didn't make it out of the LCQ and screwed himself. So in the comments below, I want to hear what you guys have to think. Like, again, who is at fault here? Was it just absolutely stupid for both of them? And just whatever it is, comment it down below. Tell me what you think, because obviously I like your opinions, and conversation's always fun, and comment section's always fun. So comment down below, tell me what you think. As you're going down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because obviously it helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.